today we're going to help someone who knows nothing about online marketing learn how to set up a landing page. And this is my niece, Janasia McReynolds. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so you guys can't see, but I'm going to walk her through setting up a page. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Okay, if you want to go to edit, go ahead and click the edit button. And you guys really can't see the page, which is kind of cool because it makes for good marketing. Okay, go to My Pages. Oh, wait, actually, stay there. So see at the top where it says Quick Templates. So you got all those templates. We won't do a video one, but let's just go ahead and do the first one. Click on the first one. Now, you see how that pops up and it goes 1, 2, 3 and upload an image. So let's see where it says go to headline, insert your headline. And why don't we just put learning how to I'm going to give you the headline. Set up a landing page. For the first time. She typed faster than me too. Okay, so let's go to the subline, headline. Go to the next one. And it's easy.